In this video, I'm going to show you how to just click one button and it will automatically, using AI, generate captions and descriptions for you using Repurpose.io. Let's go ahead and jump into it. And make sure, if you have not already gotten your free account with Repurpose.io to try it out for yourself, go ahead and check it out in the link down in the description. So as you can see here, I have many of my workflows set to auto and then some of them set to manual. So I'm going to be starting this tutorial already assuming that you have your workflows set up. So here's a couple of ones that might be cool for you to think about. This one is a workflow from my YouTube channel to LinkedIn, and I do not have it set to auto. All you have to do is go to View Content on the right side and click that there, and then it will show you all the different content from your YouTube channel. And so then I will just click one and do Schedule on the right side and click that button there. And it will pop up a screen that kind of shows you a published preview. And so I have it set up to have the headline up there and no sub headline. And there's the subtitles and captions on the bottom. And then over here, it actually has what the normal description on my YouTube channel already has. So let's say that I don't actually really like that. I want to have AI literally redo it all for myself. You just go to this little magic wand button over here on the bottom, on the right side. It says Autogenerate Post using AI, and you can do it up to 10 times. So I just click this really fast, and it is loading. And we'll jump to when this is done loading. And just like that, it takes the content from the video, and it makes the post for you. This is a video about a treadmill. It talks about the desk workstation, some of the lifestyle risks and things why you might want it, and then stay informed. And I just wanted to share this with you, it says. And then if you don't like that, you can always do revert back to the original text, or you can auto generate a different one. And obviously you can add some different settings like this. You can upload your own thumbnail if you don't like this one. But when you're happy with the post and the captions there, you go ahead and either publish it now, so it'll start the queue already, or you can go ahead and schedule, and you can go ahead and click the day that you want to schedule it. So it could be like the 20th, for example, and I could set a time. So that's how you literally do that and schedule that for that kind of post. Now let's say that you want to do one that is automatic, and you might say, well, how do you do that? It already posted it. You can repost the same video content. So like this one right here, it is TikTok to Pinterest. So we can look at that. It's set on auto. So every time I post a video on TikTok, it automatically goes to Pinterest. So if you go to View Content, I can actually go to any of my videos and do republish. When I click that, you'll get custom published settings. And I can literally right here, auto generate the title. So if I don't see, even right here, there's a spelling error on this. So that's not good, right? So I can just auto generate a new title. And this is really cool because Pinterest is a search based, right? So it says unleash the power of AI. And then you can make a different description. My description is honestly really poor. So I could change the title and description for this video multiple times, and it can get different views, different view counts. People might be searching it for different keywords. So this is the power of Repurpose.io, and just one clicking, get titles and descriptions ready to go for you. And boom, just like that, the whole description's done for me. And it's really high quality. Discover the secrets of creating engaging and high quality YouTube videos without ever showing your face. That's what my video is about. And so I can put a link in there as well. And then I can also change the cover image. And then when you're ready, you just go to schedule. I can schedule this out. Like I said, I can do this 10 times for the same video, especially with Pinterest, because people are searching different keywords. So that's how incredible this is. Just clicking the little magic wand, which will be your new best friend, and it will automatically make the titles and descriptions for you. So you don't have to do all the thinking. You don't have to do all the copywriting, because copywriting is in itself pretty hard for most people. If you've gotten any value from this video, go ahead and like this video and comment any questions that you might have with this process. I think it's really cool. You know, taking a lot of the thinking and a lot of the stress out of content creation for you. We really want to go above and beyond and make sure that the content creation process, distribution, and repurposing of your content is as easy as possible. So hopefully you love this. If you have any other questions or any other tutorials that you guys might want, go ahead and let us know. We love to help you guys out and answer all the questions that you might have. And with Black Friday coming up, here is one video that you may want to see to help you and your business with Black Friday.